Good evening, sir.
हृदय 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 हाय. So what
Yes, sir.
happened to Hussein यार, क्या हो गया?
Sir, I think so. It's not online. So let's start.
चलो कोई नहीं. Great. How are you?
Okay,
What are
sir.
you doing?
Nothing, sir. Just waiting for this interview.
Just waiting for this interview. Excited about this interview. Excited to be a part of the Sports Drum series.
Yes, sir. Very much.
Very much. So I believe you have been winning a lot of medals here, Hriday. Before
Yes.
before coming to the medals, Hriday, tell me, why are you Hriday and not Hriday? Is there a H which is missing, or it's Hriday? What does Hriday mean?
Actually, Hriday means heart, and every action which I take from heart, and with dedication I do. So it's start from A. So it
Very nice. Very nice.
came. Yeah.
Running comes to you straight from your heart.
Yes. Everything with
Very,
dedication and heart.
very nice. Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Tell me about you now. I of course have read about you. I of course have done. We've got a note on you, but there are other people on this show who would like to hear about you from you. So tell us, who are you? What have you done? And yeah, yeah, like that.
Yes, sir. I'm introducing. Hello, so my name is Hriday Jana. I am a national athlete, and my event is 100 and 200 meter, and I am the Bombay's fastest athlete, considered three time in under 14 and under 16 category, and I am the Maharashtra's fastest athlete of 2019 and 2020, and recently I won national medal in 100 meter and 200 meter bronze, and in medley relay I won silver medal, and I am the Khelo India finalist too. This is my
Very
recent achievement.
That's a very impressive achievement. A belt of achievement that you've got for yourself, Hriday.
Thank you,
So
sir. Thank you.
how do you manage to keep up with the your athletics? You're a student as well. Where do you study?
Yes, yes. Actually, I studied in Nalasopara. My school name is St. Aloysius High School. It's a Xavier's branch.
Okay.
So I studied there.
Okay. And so where do you train? How do you get the training done and stuff?
Actually, I manage both. It's from I think so. It's my hobby from childhood. I'm doing training at the age of 8. I started my basic athletic career at age of 8. In school, the annual sports day meet used to held, and I used to participate in that. At that time, I don't know about athletics that much because I love to run, because at that time we used to give more importance to cricket more than athletics. So yes, that time basically I got introduced from athletics, and in Xavier schools we used to have competition of zonals and interzonals meet, and we used to compete with our branches school. From there, small competition I had played, small achievement I got. From then my secondary coach is there. He just introduced me to the Sprinter Sports Club. He just told he's the one of the best club in Mumbai.
Right.
So I just gone there. You will not believe that within 6 months of training in Sprinter Sports Club, I became the national medalist because of the great coach, manager,
Of course,
and the very
the
well diet.
is Ravindra sir. We had him last week, and I
Yes,
see
yes, yes.
Bhandup Athletic Club join in. It's a pleasure to have you guys here. So we have Hriday. We are chatting with Hriday at this point of time, and he's just spoken about the fabulous achievements that he has got. So Hriday, what is it that you like about athletics? आपको क्या पसंद आता है athletics में क्यों?
एथलेटिक में एक चीज मुझे ये पसंद है कि वी it's an individual game. We get to know about ourselves, that in individually what we can achieve, how our mindset is, how our confidence is, because every game has a sport, means every game is a team game, but this is an individual game. We got to know ourselves that yeah, this have means he's a very confidence person, he has a great personality towards sports. So yeah, this I like these things about athletics. And basically I had athletic chose me, not I had not gone to athletic. With the flow of time I just started athletic, and today I am the became as a professional athlete.
You are the fastest Maharashtrian running on the tracks today. That's what your achievement is. So,
Yes, thank
what
you, sir.
your training routine is? कैसे train करते हो आप? कहाँ नालों से पार
uh,
करते हो? What time do you wake up? What is your training? कितनी घंटे की training होती है? School कैसे manage करते हो?
so basically I every when before lockdown I used to wake up at 3 a.m, and 3:30 I used to get fresh and get for departed for my ground. So at 4 we used to catch the train. By 5:45 I used to reach to the ground. 6 at morning 6 a.m. we used to start training, and 8 a.m. our training used to finish. Then after I again used to take the train. 10 o'clock I used to reach school. After 1:30 I go home, take my lunch, and after that again for training 2:30 I used to depart from my house. Then 4 o'clock I used to join again training till 7:30. Then after 7:30 again train. Then at 9 I used to reach home, and I used to go and have my dinner and sleep. This was my training routine.
So for every 2 hours of training, you used to travel 2 hours. हर 2 घंटे की
Y-
ट्रेनिंग के लिए ऑलमोस्ट 2 घंटा आपको ट्रैवल करना पड़ रहा था।
yes,
थकान तो
yes, sir.
मतलब थक नहीं जाते हो इतना? व्हाट इज योर एज? हाउ ओल्ड आर यू?
Actually, I am now 16. I just completed 16. So
राइट।
I'm my 17 years is going running, and I didn't get tired.
इट इज स्टिल टायरिंग, इट्स अ टायरिंग जॉब। और सुबह तो ठीक है, खाली ट्रेन मिल जाती थी, बट शाम को
हाँ,
तो ट्रेन्स वुड हैव बीन वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर
हाँ सर, अगर जिंदगी में कुछ करना है ये सब मैनेज तो करना पड़ता है सर, लाइफ में अगर कुछ बनना है
यू।
तो। तो
Yay. Yes, Celebo, this is the same Hriday who's featured in the Champion of Mumbai. I am answering your question here. Great. So, जब अभी अब लॉकडाउन हो गया, ट्रेन्स बंद थी, तब कैसे प्रैक्टिस करते थे आप?
मीन्स एक्चुअल में हम लोग का भले ही ट्रेन्स बंद हुआ हो, सब बंद हुआ हो, लेकिन हम स्प्रिंटर्स वाले कभी अपना ट्रेनिंग कभी बंद नहीं करते। बीच में हाँ थोड़ा ब्रेक हुआ था, क्योंकि हमें लगा था शुरू हो जाएगा जल्दी, लेकिन नहीं हुआ। तो हमारे कोच और मैनेजर ने कि ट्रेनिंग से रूटीन चालू किया। ऑनलाइन लेक्चर, हम लोग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में ट्रेनिंग लेते। तो हमारा रूटीन सेम था कि मॉर्निंग 6 को ही ट्रेनिंग चालू होगा, 8 को खत्म होगा, 7:30 को खत्म होगा, और इवनिंग को भी 6 या 5 को चालू होगा, 7 को खत्म होगा। तो हमें मतलब ऐसा कोई असर नहीं पड़ा कि लॉकडाउन है नहीं है। हमें तो ऐसा लगता था कि हम अभी भी ग्राउंड पे हैं, हम अभी भी ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं, बस हम अपने एथलीट मेट के साथ नहीं है। बस इतना फर्क लगा और कुछ नहीं।
एक एक फर्क और पड़ा, 2 घंटे की नींद ज्यादा मिलती थी, 4 बजे की
हाँ
जगह
बस।
6 बजे उठ सकते थे।
हाँ ये एक फायदा था।
वेरी नाइस। तो
हाँ,
इतना मतलब अभी आप जो रनिंग करते थे, फिर अभी नालासोपारा में जो आप प्रैक्टिस करते होगे, फिर जो ट्रेनिंग होती है वो तो ऑनलाइन चल रहा है, आपको बताया कि आपको ऐसे करना चाहिए वैसे। बट हाउ डिड यू रन? वेयर वर यू रनिंग इन दिस लॉकडाउन? आप मतलब आपको कोई एक ग्राउंड चाहिए होता है कि आप सड़क पे कहीं भी 100 मीटर दिखा और 200 मीटर खाली जगह दिखी, वहां पे दौड़ लगा दी और प्रैक्टिस कर ली? इज दैट द वे?
no, actually, sir used to give alternative workout. If you are means in your area, if corona cases are not there, you can go out and train according to his workout. But if there are corona cases in your area, so he just giving workout at home. Means we can do workout at home. He just giving alternative workout every time, so that we can
Okay.
manage both. Yeah. So most probably I used to do at my home, because in my area there is more COVID-19 cases over here. So I most of the time I don't go out for this.
ग्रेट, ग्रेट। सो हु आर योर आइडल्स? मतलब आपको क्या लगता है नेशनल्स में जैसे, या इंडियन कोई एथलीट जिसको आप अपना आइडल मानते हो? अभी तो रिसेंट में, मतलब मेरे समय पे तो हम पीटी उषा को देखते थे, आपके समय पे अभी हिमा दास हैं। सो whom do you look up to as your inspiration?
As an inspiration, I look Duti Chand and this Hima Das, because they both are fantabulous athlete. I love their sprinting, क्योंकि इंडिया के वो मेरे ख्याल से एक ऐसे इकलौते एथलीट जो ओलंपिक में मेडल ला सकते हैं। सो मुझे दोनों बहुत पसंद है।
तो आपका क्या गोल है?
मेरा तो गोल एक ही है सर, कि इंडियन फ्लैग मेरे पीछे हो, उसको अपने सीने से लगाओ और ओलंपिक पोडियम में अपना नेशनल एंथम प्ले करो। यही मेरा गोल है सर, और कुछ नहीं।
बहुत
ये
सही,
मिल
बहुत।
जाए तो जिंदगी है सर।
ये देखिए ना, we have the we have a young spirit talking that how he wants to be at the Olympic ground and win a medal for India. That's very a very noble thought, and more power to you. आप मेरे को अब ये
थैंक यू
बताइए
सर।
कि आप you just studied your 10th. Did you just clear your 10th or you are
यस, यस,
studying?
यस। Actually, I just clear my 10th standard right now,
What are your
this
plans
in
now?
March.
आगे क्या पढ़ने वाले हो?
एक्चुअली मैं साइंस लेने वाला हूँ। इंजीनियरिंग स्ट्रीम में मैं जा रहा हूँ। मुझे साइंस से बहुत लगाव है, तो मैं साइंस को प्रिफर कर रहा हूँ।
वेरी नाइस। इनफैक्ट आपके जो हेड कोच हैं डॉक्टर रविंद्र, उन्होंने लास्ट टाइम हमको बताया कि जो एथलेटिक्स है वो भी एक साइंस है। टेक्निकली आपकी बॉडी जो है वो मशीन है, और उसको किस तरीके से भगाना है वो आपके हाथ में होता है। सो या यू वुड प्रॉब्ली मेक अ गुड इंजीनियर, हृदय। दैट्स
थैंक यू सर,
यू नो
थैंक यू।
अ नाइस थिंग। और आपके आसपास में कौन है? whom do you look up to, apart from your coach, co एथलीट, ऐसे कॉम्पिटिंग आप लोगों के बीच में एक एक वो कॉम्पिटिंग स्पिरिट आती है कि अच्छा मुझे इससे बेहतर करना है या हम दोनों साथ में चलेंगे? इज देयर एनी अदर फीलिंग लाइक दैट? कुछ होता है ऐसा?
नहीं सर, एक्चुअल में हम स्प्रिंटर्स को हमें एक ही चीज सिखाया जाता है, खुद को अपग्रेड करो, किसी से इतना कॉम्पीट मत करो। अगर हम अपने आप को अपग्रेड करेंगे सर, तो शायद हम आगे जाके और अच्छा कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि सर कॉम्पीट से एक ऐसा, मतलब बोलते हैं दुश्मनी हो सकता है, मतलब एक ऐसा हम लोग एनिमी बन सकते हैं, एक ऐसा चीड़ हो सकता है। या तो हम लोग अपग्रेड करने की कोशिश करते हैं अपने आप को, हम किसी से इतना कॉम्पीट नहीं करते। अगर कोई कॉम्पीट करना चाहता तो हम भी करते, एक्सेप्ट करते चैलेंज, लेकिन हम अपना रवैया उनको नहीं दिखाते।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। सो आपका ऐसा क्या मतलब व्हाट कीप्स यू गोइंग टू रीच ए गोल? आपके डिफिकल्ट सर्कमस्टेंसेस हैं, टाइम आपके पास में, यू स्पेंड 2 आवर्स, बट व्हाट इज इट दैट मोटिवेट्स यू टू गो देयर ऑन द ट्रैक? एंड बेसिकली एक खेल तो पूरा 10 सेकंड का खेल होता है,
हाँ सर।
10 सेकंड या 20 सेकंड का आप बोल दीजिए। हाउ डू यू मैनेज to stay focused against so many different things that keep coming up?
Actually, I will give this all credit to my father, because he's just too, means dedicated to me. He just want that to kuch kar, kuch ban. So he every time supports me in every moment. He's just like an superhero for me. When anything happen, he just support me. Okay, you do, I will manage all the things. And basically my coach too, Ravi sir, he's also supporting me a lot, and giving me a spirit to fight with themselves. So yeah, this they both are the reason why I am still focused towards my goal. They both help me a lot.
Great, great, good. Yeah, I mean, the father, the family support is always, very
Yes sir.
important because if, I think Rohit Sharma, the cricketer, used to stay somewhere in Dahisar or Mira or probably beyond Nalasopara. में पता नहीं कहाँ रहते थे. But his father used to take him.
Yes sir.
Even this another young chap, Shaw, I forget his full name.
Prithvi Shaw, yeah, from Virar.
Also, he used to travel. So, hats off to you guys, यार. I mean, इतना focus और dedication हमारे पास होता
Thank you sir.
तो मतलब हमारी लाइफ कुछ अलग ही होती. But it's always good to see young people, budding people, staying so focused against so difficult circumstances that you guys are putting in so much effort. I just need to check, uh, Hussein able to log in now? Any update on Team Sports
uh,
Come? Any update from him?
Still I don't know. I have to talk with Hamisha right now, I think so.
No, wait. I
Let's
think
see.
I've just asked Hamish and the Sports Come team. You guys are here online. Could you just check if Hussein or Saroj are here? Wait, Hamish is saying yes. Probably Hussein is ready to be online, Hriday. Any message that you would want to give for the other fellow athletes?
Yes, I will give. I want to give a message that please, in this pandemic, lots of financial crises are going on to all the families. Most of them are thinking to leave the sports line and trying to earn money, or just trying to study, and that's a good thing. But I will tell them, please don't leave the sports, because the future is in our hands of sports. And उन लोग करेंगे तो हमारा इंडिया का स्पोर्ट्स भी अच्छा होगा, स्पोर्ट्स का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बन सकता है। तो मैं चाहूंगा कि वो स्पोर्ट्स ना छोड़े, और अपने स्पोर्ट्स पे भी ध्यान दे, और अपने फैमिली और करियर पे भी ध्यान दे। ये पेंडेमिक थोड़े टाइम का है, फिर उसके बाद चला ही जाएगा।
Very
तो मैं
nice. This
ये
is a message for all the young guys out there and to the ministries of the sport, that we have people like Hriday who are
थैंक यू सर।
giving out a positive message to people that they should never give up sports and they should continue to fight and make a space for themselves. Hriday, thank you so much.
थैंक यू सर।
How does it feel for you to, you are a face of the Buddy Run 2.0.
यस सर।
How does it feel? आप मतलब ये, is this the first time that you have been the face of any run or something?
Yes, sir. It's my first time, and I'm very proud of it. And I'm very proud of you, sir, because you all are giving such a motivation to the young sports, and coming from the humble backgrounds, and they will get motivated that we are giving such means we are giving respect and the dedication towards athletics. So the young talent will come out with this sports this initiative. So I'm very proud of it, sir, and I'm very happy also.
Thank you, Hriday. Thank you. And I
Thank you,
think
sir.
I just got a message from Hamish. Once you log off, Hussein is ready to join in. So I
Yes,
will
yes,
see
yes,
you
sir.
here,
Fine.
and all the best to you and to all the future races that you would win.
Thank you, sir, very much.
Yeah. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.